What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our video. Daniel here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start generating $100 to $200 every single day by doing something that not a lot of people are talking about. And maybe you must have heard about it, but maybe you just haven't taken action. I want to prove to you today that this works, and a lot of people are doing it right now and are making money. If you have followed me for a long time, you know this is something that I started online with, and it's Facebook e-commerce. Now, Facebook Marketplace is different from what it used to be. Now, Facebook Marketplace, when I started in my first 6 weeks, I generated over $15,000 online by just selling items that I didn't have any access to. I didn't need to see them, I didn't need to touch them, I didn't need to manufacture them, and I made profit doing this. Now, I'm going to show you a way that you can start doing this today that doesn't require you to have any money upfront. All you need is your time and just, invest some time into this and some effort and maybe some creativity. Now, this is Facebook Shops. Facebook Shops is Facebook's competition, or Facebook's way of creating their own Amazon. If you use Amazon, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce website on the planet today, and they have hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people already signed up making orders every day. Now, Facebook is trying to get a slice of that pie, and this is why Facebook created Facebook Shops. Facebook has more customers than Amazon could ever have, than all of the e-commerce websites combined. Now, Facebook Shops is a platform where you can list your products. People already on Facebook will come, they will buy the products, and you will just find a supplier, ship it to them without you even touching it. It's a form of drop shipping, but using Facebook, using the power and the size of Facebook, which is incomprehensible. So Marketplace is something that I did a couple months ago, and I just there was just a lot of problems with Marketplace that a lot of people got pissed off, and it just fell off the bandwagon, and it just fell off the wayside. People never tried it again. But Facebook Shops came around, and it's revolutionized the game and how people do dropshipping on Facebook. Now, this is my account. This is an account that I started just over 24 hours ago. 24 hours ago, I already have over 900, almost 1,000 products listed on this platform. Now, there are ways to which you can list products. You don't have to do it one by one, or just doing it one after the other. There's a way you can upload 1,000 products at once, and I will share the link to the software down in the description if you want to use that. It's called FBM Fox. It's the most powerful software out there for anyone wanting to try Facebook dropshipping using Facebook Shops. You can just bulk upload, and it will just keep updating all of the products on your store, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, this is Facebook Shops, and over the last 24 hours, I've uploaded almost 1,000 products into my store. Now, there's a process to creating a shop. You can't just go on Facebook and create one. You have to go through an approval process, and all of that is something that I will talk about. Now, Facebook Shops, I uploaded over 1,000 products to the website, and now within a 24-hour period, I have almost 600 page views. Now, this hasn't refreshed for today. This is just in the first 24 hours alone. That is to tell you how powerful Facebook is. If you were to have 600 people visit your Shopify store, you will be paying a lot of money, and that's not even guaranteed a sale from that, right? Now, with Facebook, Marketplace or Facebook Shops, you have access to those customers already. Facebook will push your product to the ends of earth, and you don't even have to do anything. Just list your product, make sure the prices are competitive, and just sit back and let the money roll in. I know people doing this and they are killing it with it. I did it and I killed it with it. Now I'm just getting started again, but I just want to show you the progress that I made and how you can get started. Now, the task at hand here is not for you to go ahead and make sale in the first 24 hours. It probably wouldn't happen for you, but it is taking the necessary actions to put you in a position where you can make those sales. Now, I will leave a link to the software that I use. It's called FBM Fox. I will give you the coupon code to that so you can save on your first month. You save about 20% on your first month. Go ahead and start uploading products to your Facebook shop right now. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you create a Facebook page. Create a Facebook page. Make sure you have your domain name verified on Facebook. I'll create another video that will go in depth into how you can do that. Make sure you have your domain name verified, and make sure that you have a software like Shopify, because that way it's easy for you to get approved. Now, once you create that page, you will have a button that says manage shop. So once you do that, you'll be able to manage your shop, create your shop, and you will go through an approval process. Facebook will approve you, and once they do, you can start uploading products to your store. Now again, I'll make a video that goes in depth on, step by step how to get your Facebook shops approved, because it's not a straightforward process. You have to follow some processes that are laid out by Facebook, made very clear. You can get your shop disapproved, and it's very unlikely that you get approved the next time. So if that's something interesting, you want to see a video like that, leave a comment down in the description. Let me know what you think, and let me just know if you want to see a video like this from me, and I will make it happen. And also check out my second channel if you want to see how I document my travels around the world. Right now I'm in Tirana, Albania, just traveling and seeing places as much as I can. All of this has been made possible by starting an online business, having a business online that can shield me from that 9-to-5 lifestyle, having to sit in a cubicle and just slave my life away. That's not something no one should. If you don't want to do it, you shouldn't do it at all. I mean, if that's your thing, go for it by all means. Anyway, let me know if you want a video on Facebook shops, and I will make that video step by step. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comment box if you'd like to see more videos like this, especially with Facebook shops from me, and I will make that video happen. This is an example of my store. It's flourishing. It's in the first 24 hours and I'm getting tons of views. I'm pretty sure, I'm very confident that this store will start making sales pretty soon. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Again, I'll leave it in the description. If you want to get started with an online business today, make sure you check that out. It's a simple process to get started. And yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. My name is Daniel. Bye.